compound you get. This here can pack up to minimum of 3 cars. You still have space here as well. Sweet house. So this one is available as well. This one have more bigger space. So let's see what is inside. I'm not going to waste your time on this video. So this is the Mr. Toilets. Let's just check it, okay? Yeah. So this is the door. Then this is the parlor and the staircase. So this is what you get. And the dining area. So let's see the kitchen. It's quite dark. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's a little better now. So this is the kitchen. Then the gas and the extractor. Then the back door. Then it has store here. Now your kitchen store. So it's more of a very standard duplex. Then here you have your visitor's room and the wardrobe. So let's just go upstairs so you see what we have here. So I like as it's properly ventilated here. See. So here you have 3 rooms. Let's start with this. See the wardrobe. This is the master's bedroom with the sit out. So remember when I told you that this one is also available? It has more compound space, but the price is slightly different from this one. So from here you come out. You can see the doors. We have quality doors here. So this is the bathroom for the masters. Yeah, this is the bathroom. So sleek. So the second room upstairs. Sweet. I like that the bathroom is not too small. Then the last room upstairs. I think the other one is the smallest because this one is bigger than that one. This one is bigger than that one. And the bathroom this one has shower, so you don't get to, you see? You know, I go down river, man, which I see everywhere, then the toilets here. So like I told you, this is the cheapest duplex in Owerri town. And if you're looking for a secured location, you can live here in Owerri. This is one of the best duplex you can actually buy. It's very affordable. So I may be wondering the price. I'll leave the price on the descriptions. Okay. Yeah. So this is the compound. So let's go to the next one. So this is the biggest. Like here, you can already know that you can park up to 2 cars on this here already. And this is the space you get. This is the house. Sweet. So let's step in. So as you step in, you see the ante room and the visitor's toilet. Then you see the parlor. Let me open here so we have more lights. So this is the parlor. Yeah, so this is the dining area. So down here we have the kitchen. Let me open the window as well so you get to see. So you have here the kitchen, the extractor, the gas, the 2 windows properly ventilated, and a kitchen store. I think this store is bigger than the other one. Then here is where you put your fridge. Let's check the visitor's room. Wow, big, quite big. So this is the visitor's room. And it's cross ventilated. You can see these 2 windows and another 2 windows there. And then this is the bathroom and shower plus heater. Then the big massive wardrobe. So let's go upstairs. So as you step here, so this is your master's bedroom. Let me open the window. Very big. Very big. Then this is your wardrobe. And your bathroom and shower. Then a sit out. Let's see. So the sit out takes you outside. You can see. This is the other one we checked. Then we have this one. This is 4 bedroom and 4 bedroom. This is 3 bedroom and 3 bedroom. So let's check the other rooms. So this is a staircase. So this is another room. Heater and shower. You can see the lightning. Then this is the last room. Voila. Voila. Then this is the shower. So this is the compound. They're still in the compound. Yeah, this is the compound. Still here. So this one is more expensive than the other one. but I will not still tell you the price. I'm going to leave it in the description. So this is the overhead tank and the small space you get here at the back. Yeah, you need to see this. So this is the space you get. Yeah. So this is the back. Let's go inside, so I'll show you. So right there is an apartment. That's a service apartment there. So if you step in, you see this is like your car parking space. So you can park up to 3 cars here. Then this leads to the kitchen, and this is your backyard. This is more of your backyard. So let's step inside. Step in, see this door. This is a very quality door. Then this is more of an ante room and your visitor's toilet. Then you step into the parlor. This is how spacious it is. So you have your chair here. This is probably where you get the TV console, and here can be your dining area. Oh, here is the dining area. Then this is the kitchen. See, we use marble here. Then your fridge, then your store. So this is the backyard that I showed you earlier. That's the backyard to the kitchen. I showed you there. So let's check out the visitors room. So this is the visitors room. Quite. This is the wardrobe. Properly ventilated. And this is the shower. So let's go upstairs so you see. So if you don't know what to use this for, we can turn it to a shortlet for you. So here we have 1 door, 2 door, and 3 doors. So let's check out the masters. This duplex can generate minimum of 150,000 daily as investment. So this is the masters, very spacious. And this is the wardrobe, very massive wardrobe. So from here you can see the masters. Then this is your shower, very spacious. Even if you are very fat, you can bath here. You can see how spacious it is. Then when you step out of the shower, see your toilet and your window. So let's get to the other rooms upstairs. So this is another room upstairs. You can call it the madam's room. You can see the wardrobe. see the tiles and the shower and wash hand basin. So let's check the last room. So this is the last room. This is the smallest room here. Then it has a shower as well. And so this is the view you get to have when you're here. You can see the view, very nice. So my people, it's about time we invest in our states. If you don't know what to use this property for, number one option for you is to use it as your family home because it's within town and it's very accessible. Then the second option is to turn it to a shortlet where it can generate almost 150 to 200,000 every day depending on how you furnish it. Then thirdly is just to rent it out for minimum of 4 million to 8 million annually. So the choice is yours, okay? I have helped so many families grow their wealth, so you can be the next. So if you're from Imo and you're watching this video, kindly hit me up so you can start your investment today. We also have land here in Owerri. We have other duplexes here in Owerri. It's that time to start investing in Imo. It's you that I'm talking to you that is watching this video and you're from Imo. Okay, hit me up. Let's get you started, okay? And if you love this video, kindly hit the subscribe button so you can see updates like this coming your way, and also like and share to your family and friends who are looking to buy house in Imo. This might be their dream home, okay? See ya.